So I'm Chloe and I'm currently working in the children's marketing and publicity team.
My name's Heather and I'm doing work experience in Michael Joseph editorial.
My name's Alex and I'm working in children's editorial. The thing that attracted me to apply was the idea of working with books and getting to see the process behind books that you see on the shelves like every day.
I don't really know what I want to do after my degree, so it was just kind of exploring the possible avenues I can take. And
my placement was exciting, fun and interesting.
My placement was challenging, eye-opening and motivating.
One of the highlights was maybe sitting in a meeting on my second day where the team that I'm working with was discussing the sequel to a book I'd read.
My highlights of the placement have been reading manuscripts that people have submitted, suggesting editorial notes on those, and just meeting new people who are in the industry.
The most surprising thing I've learned from being at Penguin is that a lot of people do a lot of small things and make this amazing product at the end.
The most surprising thing was just how nice and welcoming everyone was. They're just so ready to accommodate questions that I had, or if I wanted to chat with them or talk to them, that everyone was so welcoming. Thinking of applying, I think you definitely should if you're interested in career in publishing. It's such an insightful way to find out more about it, and it's just really fun and enjoyable time.
Just do it. If you're thinking of applying, there's no harm. I didn't get it the first time, I just applied the second time.
To anyone thinking of applying, I'd say definitely go for it. You haven't got anything to lose and it's a great experience, I think.